The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. In a world where smartphones constantly push limits, the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold lifts the experience. It comes as a sleek, compact phone but unfolds in 3 stages into a large 10-inch tablet, providing ample space for multitasking, binge-watching your favorite shows, or tackling serious work. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, it handles heavy gaming, AI tasks, and demanding apps effortlessly. Its 5-camera system is perfect for photography enthusiasts, capturing beautiful wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto images. Also, the 5,600 mAh battery allows for all-day use, and the hinge opens and closes smoothly, giving a premium feel. With its innovative design and robust features, the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold is priced around $2,000, making it a luxurious yet practical option for both work and leisure. Lenovo Legion Pro Rollable. Technology is improving very fast, and one thing Lenovo brand is known for is producing quality devices. The Lenovo Legion Pro Rollable gaming laptop showcases how exciting the future can be. At first sight, it looks like just another 16-inch OLED laptop. However, with a simple keyboard shortcut, the screen rolls up to unveil a large 21.5-inch display, perfect for work, movies, or editing. If you push it even further, it expands to an impressive 23.8 inches, making it ideal for serious gaming, offering stunning 4K visuals with a smooth 240Hz refresh rate. Inside, it's equipped with Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processors, providing excellent graphics and fast AI performance. The special polymer screen stays smooth and flexible, while vapor chamber cooling keeps everything cool during long gaming sessions. Priced at about $3,500, the Lenovo Legion Pro Rollable is truly a dream device for gamers and creators looking for both power and a flexible screen. LG Wallpaper OLED TV Evo W6. The LG Wallpaper OLED TV Evo W6 is more than just a television. It's a beautiful piece of wall art. Priced at approximately $24,999, this ultra-slim display measures about an inch in thickness, allowing it to sit flush against your wall like an exquisite painting. The remarkable 97-inch screen is bound to attract attention in any room, and it smartly hides messy cables with LG's Wireless One Connect box, capable of transmitting 4K video from up to 30 feet away. Bright scenes stand out thanks to advanced micro-lens technology that enhances brightness to nearly 3,000 nits, while deep blacks provide a cinematic atmosphere. Also, AI Picture Pro automatically fine-tunes colors and contrast for each scene, bringing your movies to life. The integrated Dolby Atmos speakers deliver immersive sound throughout your space, eliminating the need for additional setup. With its elegant design and exceptional performance, the W6 elevates any home into a luxurious theater experience. Nuralogix Longevity Mirror. The Nuralogix Longevity Mirror costs around $7,999, and it changes the way you monitor your health daily. Forget about touching sensors. This innovative mirror employs smart cameras and AI to analyze blood flow patterns on your face in less than 30 seconds. It can give you insights into your stress levels, heart health, hydration, and even mental wellness. The results pop up on a vibrant 4K touchscreen, complete with straightforward tips for fitness, skincare, and recovery. Plus, it processes all data locally, ensuring your privacy is safeguarded. Think of it as a daily health routine, similar to brushing your teeth, but way more advanced. Instead of waiting for those hospital appointments, you can get immediate feedback right at home. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, the Longevity Mirror transforms your bedroom or bathroom into a personal wellness hub powered by AI. Pebble Index 01 Smart Ring. Now, let's talk about the Pebble Index 01 Smart Ring, which comes in at just $399. This little gadget packs a punch, proving that powerful technology can indeed fit on your finger. Weighing in at under 3 grams, it does something truly remarkable. It records voice notes with just a tap. Speak for a minute, and the ring sends your thoughts to an app where they're transcribed, summarized, and neatly organized. You can easily tap commands like Save Idea or Add to Calendar, and the ring gives you a gentle vibration as feedback. One full charge lasts nearly a month, so you won't have to stress about recharging it often. It's the perfect companion for busy individuals who find inspiration anywhere, anytime. No need to unlock your phone or deal with distractions, just tap, talk, and keep moving. It's simple, smart, and incredibly handy for creative minds on the go. The Rockmo X1 Robotic Lawnmower. The Rockmo X1 robotic lawnmower feels like having a personal robot gardener, letting you relax. It uses 360-degree LiDAR and visual mapping to navigate around toys, trees, pets, and garden beds effortlessly. Its four-wheel drive system can handle slopes of up to 45 degrees, making it suitable for uneven yards. While mowing, it mulches the grass to naturally feed your lawn. A single charge can cover up to 2.5 acres, and when finished, it automatically returns to its dock. It can even sense rain and adjust its mowing schedule. Operating at a quiet 55 decibels, it won't disrupt your peace. For homeowners wanting a perfect lawn without the effort, the Rockmo X1 delivers excellent results for about $4,999. Shox Open Fit Pro Earbuds. For about $249, the Shox Open Fit Pro Earbuds offer a smart way to enjoy your favorite sounds while still being aware of your surroundings. Instead of blocking your ears, they use bone conduction technology to send audio through your cheekbones, letting you hear traffic, conversations, and other important sounds. With AI noise control, background noise and wind are reduced automatically. 6 microphones ensure your calls are clear and professional, even outdoors. Additionally, with an IP68 waterproof rating, you don't need to worry about sweat or rain ruining your intense workouts. You can enjoy up to 24 hours of battery life with the case, and the spatial audio feature makes your music feel expansive and immersive. Whether you're running, commuting, or working, the OpenFit Pro offers a great balance of safety, comfort, and performance compared to regular earbuds. Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processors. The Intel Core Ultra Series. 3 processors are the driving force behind many of the smartest laptops coming to market in 2026. Built on the cutting-edge Lunar Lake architecture, they provide an impressive mix of raw power and efficiency. These chips can achieve up to 50 TOPS of AI performance, making tasks like video editing, generative art, and even 8K playback effortless. You can expect battery life to last nearly 20 hours, and they maintain low heat levels, allowing devices to stay sleek and quiet. Brands like Dell and HP are already using these processors for performance boosts of up to 40%. And the best part is that this processor is priced around $699, making high-end computing more affordable than ever. Aqara Smart Lock U400. The Aqara Smart Lock U400 is a modern smart lock carefully designed to enhance home security and save the stress of using regular keys. This lock has ultra-wideband UWB technology. It can detect exactly how close you are to your door and from what direction you are coming. If you are carrying your iPhone or Apple Watch, the lock can recognize you and unlock the door automatically using Apple Home Key. This is more secure than regular Bluetooth because it reduces the risk of hacking or the door unlocking by mistake. The door lock offers several ways to open the door, including fingerprint access, a passcode, an NFC card, a mobile app, and even voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home. This makes it convenient for the users. It is Matter certified and works with Thread technology, which permits it to connect with different smart home systems without needing extra hubs. It is also weatherproof with an IP65 rating, which allows it to handle rain and dust. Its battery can last up to 6 months, making it reliable for busy homes that want both safety and comfort. LEGO Smart Play Kits. LEGO Smart Play Kits elevate building to a new level, making it smarter, more interactive, and educational for both kids and adults. These are not your typical bricks. With AI-powered pieces that light up and connect with magnets, they guide you through creative projects. QR codes unlock augmented reality stories and mini-games in the app, while sensors monitor your progress and introduce simple coding challenges along the way. Parents can easily manage the content to ensure a safe experience. Instead of just stacking blocks, kids naturally develop logic and creativity. Starting at around $199, LEGO Smart Play transforms playtime into a fun learning experience that feels less like schoolwork. X-Real One SAR Glasses. The X-Real One SAR glasses are lightweight smart glasses which project a large virtual screen in front of the eyes. These smart glasses can be connected to phones, tablets, and laptops. The glasses are cheaper than other earlier AR models and also have sharper visuals. It comes with built-in Bose speakers that provide clear sounds. The glasses place digital content over the real world, which often looks like a floating screen. Its improved optics make the display clearer than older versions. There is also a more advanced gaming version called the ROG R1, which supports a high 240Hz micro-LED display for smoother gameplay. Unlike some smart glasses, the X-Real One S does not have onboard cameras, which helps protect user privacy and keeps the design simple. Samsung Bally Robot Companion. With a price tag of around $3,999, Samsung's Bally moves around your home like a friendly AI assistant. It displays recipes, security feeds, and reminders using a built-in projector. Bally can monitor your plants, manage your lights, brew your coffee, and even look after your pets while you're away. It learns your daily habits and anticipates your needs. With improved wheels, it moves smoothly over doorsteps and through rooms. It also connects with Matter smart devices for effortless automation. Bally feels more like a helpful companion than just a gadget, turning your home into a responsive living environment. NVIDIA's Project GR00T. NVIDIA's Project GR00T feels like it's from a sci-fi movie. At 5 feet 8 inches, this humanoid robot has over 30 moving joints, enabling it to cook, clean, fold laundry, and carry items effortlessly. With its dual AI processors, it learns by watching humans instead of just following instructions. GR00T has 360-degree vision, allowing it to move safely in homes and factories. Initial tests indicate it has an impressive success rate of over 95% in task completion. This is more than just a programmed device. It learns and improves over time, with early models projected to sell for about $59,000. Withings Omnia Mirror Smart Scale. The Withings Omnia Mirror Smart Scale is designed to provide excellent health tracking in your home. It accurately tracks weight, hydration, vascular age, heart rhythm, and overall body composition. You can see results immediately on a connected app or smart mirror. Additionally, it enables families to monitor multiple users without mixing up data. The AI notifies you of any irregular heartbeats or dehydration signs early. The information is both powerful and easy to understand, helping you take action before problems arise. Turning your home into a personal wellness lab is possible, with the Omnia system expected to be priced around $6,499. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these futuristic gadgets would you actually buy? A rollable laptop, a smart mirror, or a humanoid assistant? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy this video, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss what's coming next.